upload a clip on the PS5, like my whole PS4 just freaking crashes. So see, I'm gonna click on this clip, share, the YouTube, upload. Now the whole thing's about to crash. Watch. See? Look. Whole thing crashed. Like, what the heck? Like, what is going on? That was cool.
Got DualSense plugged in, got the power and HDMI cables plugged in. That's turned on, as you can see over there. Excuse the wires, typical gamer setup. Turn it on, nothing. There is no light or noise at all. Just played Astrobot for half an hour and turned it off, full off, not rest mode. Try the DualSense. Nothing. It's just stone cold dead.
Hey, let's play a game. Nah, motherfucker. Got your whole ass. Look at this shit. What the fuck?
been playing this for some time now. You know, we've got a lot of hours. And one thing that I noticed about the whole, I know that Mark Cerny ended up using a different kind of metal liquid cooling architecture when it comes to it. But when I put my hands on it, on top, it's blowing like cold air out for some reason. So it's not really working hard.
Alright, this is our third go. We've been super gentle with this PlayStation.
Okay, it's in the right
You know-
input. We know that for sure.
Put it in the right, yeah, it's already in the right input. No signal on. Boom.
Okay, put in the HDMI.
Yep.
It's in there, perfect.
Now put the power.
There you go.
Okay, sorry. This is all you know. Click that power button. It's blinking the blue lights. Bro,
But it's
man.
blinking. You see that? So I don't know what that means,
Fuck,
but it just blinks.
Hold the PlayStation again. Come on, bro. It's in the right one.
Did it make any sound when we turned it on? Because like it's on, but I hear no fans at all. Like, is that normal?
I don't know, man.
For it to be that quiet, it has to.